hopefully someone can help me here. This is a JL1000/1 first version. It's, I've had it for I don't know how many years, probably 8 years, I don't know, but it's worked great. I love it, but recently I had a big issue here. So what happened was it stopped playing, no more sub in my car, and when I went into the trunk to see, it had the yellow, I think the green light was, the power light was on, but the yellow low ohm light was also on, and there was no output, and it wasn't the speakers, because they're at 4 ohm. So that definitely wasn't it. And I investigated further. I replaced all them, all the FETs, the power, these, but I'm having a problem right here with the output one. So I just took these out again. 2 of these, this is where they blew out. Same, I replaced them, and then the same thing happened once I put power to it. So they all test bad in the circuit with the multimeter here. They test bad, short, all of them, but when you actually take them out, only 2 of them are actually get blown. Where is this? Alright, so this one's a blown one. I don't know if they were next to each other or alternated each other. Alright, this one's no good either. And this one should be good. Fuck. Okay, so maybe just one was good out of. Alright, so I guess it blew 3 of them. Pretty sure it was only 2. Yeah. Alright, these 2 are good. And these 2 are bad. So it is 2 and 2. I can't remember if they were next to each other or they alternated in these 2, in this section right here. I don't know if they were next to each other or not, but anyway, I took out the bridge rectifiers here. Unfortunately, the first time I did it, I screwed up the legs, and I can't get replacements for the SF161GA. I can get the one without the A, SF1606G. That I have no problem with. I have extra ones, but these I can't get anywhere with the A, so I gotta find a better replacement, because these are just a pain in the ass to put in with the fucked up legs. Anyway, alright, so that's where I'm at. So this is the second time it blew the same output transistors. Now, I just want to test the power section, so I'm going to apply 10 volts and let it have 1.8 amps and put it through. Alright, so now, I don't know if you can see with the light, but we get the green light. So it looks like the power supply is okay from here. I checked the voltage on here, it was the 10, and then we'll look for the side of the oscilloscope on here, so you get the good. Oh, that's good. Fell right the fuck off. We have the square wave in here. There we go. So that looks good. And same thing on the screen over here with the other oscilloscope, just to double check it. And you can see from the regulated power supply, when you turn it off, turn it on, it builds up. So I mean, that looks all good to me. I don't think there's anything more at the power section, but I just want to show you guys one more thing here, which I think has some importance to it. I believe when I had this turned on with the power, everything hooked up, these were getting hot, and so was this here. I guess it's the driver chipboard, but it was getting hot, like right where this capacitor is, like right here, it's getting really hot. So I'm thinking something, in there is wrong, but just want to show you the resistance on Alright. Alright, so I'm just putting the probes in the gate and the source. So this is on, so we got 153, and then number 2. We also got same thing, 153, and then when we get over here, that's my mistake. Come on, you bastard. Of course I fucked up this goddamn thing. I gotta turn it off. Back this out. We get 172, 173, 170. So those are the same. And then on here, we get 594 and 594. So we have big differences in this section. I guess these first two with the lower numbers here, whatever the one, that's the issue. So these two bays, these two slots here, you know, I don't know if that's all right too, but you know, if those are just I don't know. But let me just see if I can measure these. These coming out to, oh, these coming out to ones. Also the lower value. I always thought it was supposed to be between 400 and 700, but what do I know? This is as far as my knowledge goes. This is 594. And this is 594. So the last two are 594. And then that's 580. That's weird. So even this one hooked up here has got a lower one and the 100 upper 100s. I don't know. Basically, what I need help with is just, this is where my knowledge ends here, is after why these two get blown every time, you know, put power to it, and how do I check this, or if anyone has any ideas, you know, please let me know, because, you know, I'm stuck right now. I mean, at least the power section powers up. We get a square wave on it, but you know, I'm just stuck right now. So if anyone could give me some pointers, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.